Hi. And this is the guy I hated the time. Whatever. Whatever.
You want to see the earrings you had?
Oh. 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 Sad. You know what? My mom said.
I like Heidi's belt.
No,
Cheap.
I don't like
I got it from a cheap
Oh,
store.
I'm gonna put this on MySpace and you said cheap. She's a dollar girl. She loves buying cheap stuff.
No, don't say it on my face. You got the idea.
No, don't worry. Even Edri,
Okay, I'll tell you a secret. It's in the whole my face.
Never mind. This guy looks scary. He's Dracula.
What's wrong with his head?
No.
Seriously, there must be something wrong with your head.
This girl is from Sunnydale.